A surd is a particular type of irrational number. Remember that an irrational number is a number which cannot be expressed as a fraction in the form a over b, with a and b both whole numbers. Consider the sequence of square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on. If we take the square root of one of these square numbers, we get a whole number. And of course, whole numbers are rational numbers. We can always express whole numbers as fractions. For example, 4 can be expressed as 4 over 1. However, if we take the square root of a number which is not a square number, this is an irrational number, and this particular type of irrational number is called a surd. The square root of any number which is not a square number is a surd. Now consider the cube numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, and so on. The cube root of 27 is 3, and clearly this is a rational number. However, if we take a cube root of a number which is not a cube number, this is an irrational number. The cube root of any number which is not a cube number is a surd. And this goes on. The fourth root of a number which is not a perfect fourth power is a surd, and so on.